Session 24, Substitution. A formula is just a promise. Give it a number, and it'll give you an answer back. Substituting a equals 2 into 2a plus 3 turns an algebraic expression into an ordinary calculation. 2 times 2 plus 3. By the end of today, you'll substitute values into an expression, evaluate using BIDMAs, and handle negative values safely. Substitution means replacing every letter in an expression with a specific number, then evaluating the result. Once the letters are replaced, it's just an ordinary calculation, evaluated with BIDMAs exactly as before. Substitution is how a general formula becomes one specific, useful answer. Converting a temperature or finding speed from distance and time both substitute real measurements into a formula. Working out the area of a shape from its measurements is substitution into a geometry formula. Even a phone bill formula needs a specific number of minutes substituted in before it gives you an actual price. Why does this matter? Because leaving out brackets around a negative substituted value is the single most common substitution error. This matters most with powers. -3 squared without brackets reads as -9, but -3 in brackets squared is +9. A completely different answer. And substitution never changes the order of operations. BIDMAS still applies fully to the resulting calculation. Evaluate 3x plus 2y when x equals 4 and y equals -5. Substitute both values with brackets around the -1, 3 times 4 plus 2 times -5. Evaluating 12 plus -10 is 2. Evaluate 2a squared minus 3a when a equals -3. Substitute with brackets throughout. 2 times -3, in brackets, squared, minus 3 times -3. The power comes first. -3 squared is 9. So it's 2 times 9 minus 3 times -3, 18 minus -9, which is 18 plus 9, 27. Evaluate x squared when x equals -5. Substitute with brackets, -5, in brackets, squared. -5 times -5 is 25. Squaring a negative always gives a positive. Complete example. Evaluate 4x squared minus 2xy when x equals -2 and y equals 5. Substitute with brackets, 4 times -2, in brackets, squared, minus 2 times -2, in brackets, times 5. The power first. -2 squared is 4, so 4 times 4 is 16. Then 2 times -2 times 5 is -20, so we're subtracting -20. 16 minus -20 is 16 plus 20, 36. Leaving out brackets around a negative substituted value is the single most common error, especially with a power. Always bracket it first. Substitution doesn't change the order of operations. BIDMAS still applies fully to the whole resulting calculation. 2a squared means 2 times a squared, not 2a all squared. Substitute into the power first, then multiply by 2. Practice question 1. Evaluate 2x plus 5 when x equals 3. Option A is 11. Option B is 10. Option C is 16. Option D is 8. Pause and substitute x equals 3 first. Option A is correct. 11. 2 times 3 plus 5 is 6 plus 5, 11. Practice question 2. Evaluate 3p plus 2q when p equals -1 and q equals 4. Option A is 5. Option B is -5. Option C is 11. Option D is 2. Pause and substitute both values with brackets around the -1. Option A is correct, 5. 3 times -1 plus 2 times 4 is -3 plus 8, 5. Practice question 3. Evaluate 2y squared minus 5y when y equals -2. Option A is 18. Option B is -2. Option C is 2. Option D is -18. Pause and square -2 first, in brackets. Option A is correct. 18. 2 times negative 2, in brackets squared, is 2 times 4, 8. Minus 5 times negative 2 is plus 10. 8 plus 10 is 18. Let's wrap up. Substitution replaces every letter with a given value, turning the expression into a numerical calculation. Always place a substituted negative value in brackets, especially before a power, where the sign makes all the difference. And BIDMAS still applies fully to the resulting calculation. Substitution doesn't change the order of operations. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.